Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only.
Alright, let's see the next one. Bandit 21. A program is running automatically at regular intervals from CRON, the time-based job scheduler. Look in HC CRON D. Okay, we'll see that later. Okay, for configuration and see what command is being executed. Right. Okay, this is fairly easy. I'll show you a few things. Okay, first of all, let's log into it. So 21. All right, there's nothing here. They said we have to go to /hc/cron_d. Okay, cd and that, and if we ls it will show all these things. The one we are interested in is this one, because that's what will get us into Bandit 22. Okay, first of all, what is this directory? This is a cron daemon directory. What does it mean, the cron daemon? Cron is a job scheduler. It schedules the jobs. Job in the sense is a process or a script or whatever it is. What it mainly does, it runs the scripts in a periodic time that we mention. Okay, where can we find all these scripts, all these executables? In this directory. Okay, and you can also find something like this, cron tab -e. Okay, you don't have permissions, but in my PC I do have permissions. Okay, so I'm just gonna open cron tab -e. Okay, if you type this command, it will execute this cron tab. Okay, so it is just a text file. Which editor you want to run this with? Okay, I'm gonna choose nano. So here it is. Okay, currently I don't have any jobs running. Okay, this is the format that you should be interested in, because this runs at time you mention. Okay, hours and minutes. So hours will be from 0 to 23, and this will be from 0 to 59. Okay, and this one, date of the month, 0 to whichever month it is. It is 1 to whichever date it is. It is a date of the month. Okay, it is month number and then day of the week. Okay, and then the command. If you see here, it shows an example, and this example shows that it runs a backup of all the user accounts at 5 a.m. every week. So they did not mention specific week, but this one represents Monday. Okay, 0 represents Sunday, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then this is 5 hours. As you can see here, 5 hours, 0 minutes, and it doesn't matter day of the month and month number, and this day of the week is Monday. Okay, tar is the command we have seen in the previous videos. Okay, tar, it creates a file called home.tcz. It stores in backups directory of var directory. Okay, and it takes all the files from home directory. Okay, this is what it means. And this jet represent gzip files. Okay, gzip, we have seen this before also, gzip, gcat, all these things. Okay, this creates a file which called home.tgz, and then it takes all the files from this and then stores it in backup directory. That's what this cron example does. And you can create a simple scripts like this, but here we don't have permissions. Possibly when you save all these files in a cron/d directory, it will automatically run all your scripts. Okay, let's see what kind of jobs it is running. Okay, cat cron job bandit 22. As we can see in this file, it shows at reboot bandit 22 has to execute this script. Okay, so this script will be run with the permissions just as bandit 22. Okay, and then it doesn't matter which day of the month or week or whatever time, hours. Okay, it doesn't matter which time it is, and then bandit 22 will run this script. So let's see what is inside this script. Okay, so to see what is inside the script, you just copy it like so, and then cat the file. As you can see here, this is chmod 644, and in some temp directory there is a file called this. Okay, we don't know what it is, and this cat command will send the bandit 22 password to this file. Okay, that is what the script is telling. So this script will execute periodically. Since the password is sending directly to this file, if you try to open this file, okay, using cat, you will get the password. If you're seeing cron jobs for the first time, it is nothing but just a background process that runs periodically. Okay, so nothing to be afraid of. You'll find the scripts in this place, or you can write the scripts directly in the cron tab -e. Okay, in this you can directly write the scripts. You have to write it in this format. Okay, and you can specify at reboot if you want, but this is optional. Okay, and then this will run continuously. Right, I'll just explain this script a little bit more. Okay, this is saying at reboot, and this is saying at whichever time, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the same line here, both are same lines. So those two lines are individual, so they doesn't belong each other. This works at reboot. Okay, this is only working at reboot, and this works every minute. Okay, this works all the time. So that's what it means. See ya.